LMU. What is new in version 2.7? A note in advance. To understand the news in version 2.7, it is partly necessary to know the learning of version 2.6, because the news and changes are based on it. In What is new in version 2.7, we would like to give an overview of the new features, introduce the new function for saving certificates on the dongle and show the requirements, explain the changes in the user interface. The latest online help information can be found in SID portal. Overview. LMU version 2.7 provides us with two new features. The possibility to save the certificates on the newest available dongle CMD.06 and the online licensing. In version 2.6, we learned that LMU offers three types of license activation: on trusted store, where the license is bound to server hardware components; as certificate, where the license is assigned to a USB micro dongle CMD04 or CMD06 using a certificate file. New is that the certificates are saved during the activation process by LMU to the latest dongle CMD06. We learned in version 2.6 that LMU offers as certificate another option: the assignment to an internal trusted platform module chip TPM. The new fourth activation method, named online licensing, allows the LMS client to check if this license is already used on another system. Online licensing ensures that the license is only used on exactly one system at the time. Please note, in cases where additional options are required that are not covered by LMU, please contact customer support. Save certificates on dongle. We would like to introduce you to the new feature, the automatic saving of the certificate on the latest dongle CMD06. New is that the latest type of dongle CMD.06 has in-built memory, which is used to store certificate licenses directly on the dongle. Both dongle and certificate can be located on one device and allow independent operation and facilitate the activation of licenses. The CMD06 dongles have been delivered in two different types: the Type 1 and 2. The first series of Type 1 dongles delivered must first be formatted in order to use them as storage media. On the other hand, the current Type 2 dongles are already delivered as a memory medium. You are wondering how to find out what type of dongle you have right now. It requires to have LMU version 2.7 installed, which contains the LMU tool with memory detection. Plug the CMD06 dongle into the machine and make sure that the dongle is being recognized. Open the command prompt CMD and use the command LMU tool /dongles. The response of the command will reveal the type of dongle and, in case of Type 2, also the total memory size, which means that dynamic memory is present on the dongle. This check shows that it is a Type 1 dongle, which must be formatted if you want to use it as a storage medium for certificates. In the online help is a step-by-step guide on how to format Type 1 dongles into Type 2. This shows the attributes of a Type 2 dongle where the total and free memory size are displayed, which means that dynamic memory is present on the dongle. Changes in the user interface. Let's discover what all has changed in the user interface. We start with the navigation pane. The former menu item Activatable Items, Trusted Store, has been changed to Trusted Store Licensing. The former menu item Dongle Activation, Certificate, has been changed to Certificate Licensing. The navigation pane has been supplemented with the new online licensing function. The operation pane of the various activation IDs, namely Trusted Store, Certification, Online Licensing and Offline Workflow, has changed and is now more clearly laid out. Each activation method with activation ID is now clearly displayed in the operation pane. Activation using Online Workflow for Trusted Store Licensing. Activation using Offline Workflow for Trusted Store Licensing. Activation using Certificate Licensing. In this case, we have the two known options, either with dongle or Trusted Platform Module TPM. And finally, the new method, activation using online licensing. We will explain all other additions and changes in the context of showing the operations. Online help in SID portal. The online help is now also available in the SID, Smart Information Delivery, portal. The big advantage here is that you can find the latest, most current information and do not have to wait for the update of a new LMU version. New is also that in the SID online help, all news per version back to version 2.0 can be found. In the new features in LMU version 2.7, we can find the two new topics. Please, take a moment to look at these news. You can find the LMU online help in the SID portal by typing LMU Engineering in the search box, or by clicking on the SID link in the notices, which can be found on the home page of the LMU application's online help. We end the news topic here and invite you to learn the next one, saving certificates on a dongle.